Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can earn $1,000 per day with cryptocurrency inside of a bear market. Now, nothing I'm going to say today should be considered financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a cryptocurrency enthusiast. I'm a YouTuber. I love this stuff, and I love looking for obscure investments that most people are not aware of that can have potentially incredibly high returns. But again, ladies and gentlemen, I am not a financial advisor. If you want to be able to earn $1,000 per day, then you have to understand which crypto projects to choose, particularly inside of a bear market. We are inside of a recession. We're likely headed towards a deeper recession right now, but it's important that you understand what projects could perform well inside of a depressed market. Where you're looking for an industry or project that can be recession-proof. You're looking for something that can be resilient, but yet still have incredible growth potential. So think of it this way. You're looking for an industry that is resilient or recession-proof, and you're looking for projects inside that industry that still could offer some growth potential. Typically, you're talking about young projects, new projects, or projects that are on the cusp of some sort of a breakout. You want to be able to find a project that is a part of a proven business model. This is a bear market, a weak market is not the time to look for some sort of investment that's going to be a totally brand new invention that's totally innovative from head to toe, and it's unproven. You want to make certain that you can piggyback on already proven business models. We're looking for projects that can pay dividends, and there's a very important reason for this. Of course, we like to earn consistent income. That's where the $1,000 per day comes from. The reason you want something that pays dividends, first and foremost, is because it allows for a form of risk management. Every single day that you get $1 back, that's another day that you're decreasing your overall risk that you've invested. So what we're doing here is we're able to earn income, and we don't have to sell our tokens necessarily to get income. So you're earning income two ways. You can sell your tokens on the open market if they're listed on the open market, but at the same time, you can earn rewards in passive dividends that are coming in every single day or every hour or whatever. How about the online gaming industry? This is an industry that is proven, it is growing, it is not going anywhere, and it has proven to be recession proof. The global online gambling market size is $57 billion worldwide. That is an enormous number, ladies and gentlemen. Think about that. That's 57 and 9 zeros. That's 57,000 million. That's an enormous market. But not only is the size of the market impressive, but notice that it's expected to expand right here. It's expected to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 11.7% from 2022 to 2030. That's over the next 7 years, and most experts would agree we're headed into a weaker economy over the next 7 years. Yeah, they're talking about compound annual growth. That's 11.7% per year, compounded year over year. That is extraordinary growth potential. For a long time, casinos have been considered a recession-proof business since their gross gambling revenue increased by 9% during the early 1990 recession, even though household incomes decreased by 5.9% on average. So think about that. So income's down by 5.9, but revenue for the gambling industry is up 9.4. Why is that? So for many, many years, I've worked in the entertainment, the travel industry, and the recreation industry at large. And I can tell you for almost 20 years now, I've watched this happen over and over again. There are certain sectors inside of the recreation and entertainment industry that tends to be very resilient, and there's an obvious psychological reason for this. When people are stressed out, they're looking for ways to escape. People oftentimes seek entertainment, so they're looking for some sort of entertainment to be able to get their mind off of what's going on around them, and they like to unplug for a minute, and casinos is one way people like to do that. So the online crypto gaming industry specifically, so we're not talking about just the online gaming industry, we're talking about the crypto gaming industry. Remember, we're looking for projects that are going to be positioned in such a way that they can have a breakout of their own. So we're part of a large industry that's expected to grow and that is expected to be resilient. It's recession proof. Crypto gaming is probably the fastest growing sector inside of the overall gambling industry. And we're looking for a very specific model in these projects where the house always wins dividend model. These projects have a certain type of dividend model where we profit specifically from the success of the actual casino property or the casino website itself. The house always win dividend model allows us to be able to earn a share of the daily profits. You heard that right. The casino profits are paid out every single day, and we're able to earn those profits. That's where that $1,000 per day can come from. Now, the way that we earn is incredibly simple. It's just a matter of owning the gaming token and being able to actually stake that token. Every single token that is staked will earn a percentage of the profits, and it's extremely, extremely passive because all you have to do is just stake your tokens, leave them staked, and as long as the website does well, as long as the underlying business does well, then we earn consistent passive income every single day. Now, what you need to know to be able to get started. Crypto gambling is proven. It's been around for a long time. There's websites and online properties like BetFury, Chips, for example. There's 888, there's TronBet, there's others as well that have all done extremely well, that have had multi-year track records. In fact, one of my best crypto investments to date has been BetFury. Now today, if you were to get in on BetFury, the earning potential is not nearly the same. But when I got in the early days, we were having incredible earnings. We were able to ROI very, very quickly. And today, I have a totally free passive income that literally comes in every single day like clockwork. Now, what you need to know to be able to get started is you need to know how to mine the tokens. So most of these online gaming platforms, when they're in their growth phase, you're not able to you're not able to buy the tokens. You can't buy this off of Binance or some other crypto exchange. You can't buy them off of Coinbase. The only way you can get these tokens most of the time is understanding how to mine the tokens. The good news is it's very easy to mine the tokens. You don't have to be technically savvy. You don't have to have any special equipment or anything like that. Anybody can mine the tokens. You can even mine them on your phone. You want to understand the best strategies to maximize profit. Now, you're probably wondering which token and which casino are we talking about specifically? How do I get started? How do I start earning? It's hard to discuss this on YouTube because gaming in and of itself is a regulated industry, so it's not something that's easy to talk about openly on YouTube. But I've put together a totally free comprehensive course that will tell you absolutely everything. I have 8 short videos. Each one of these videos are probably 10 to 15 minutes long. You're going to be able to get started with the very first video here in a few minutes, and you're going to be able to start earning within the next 24 hours. Literally, by tomorrow morning, you could be earning your first passive income with the online gaming industry. You're going to become an expert in about a week. Literally, after you watch these 8 short videos, you're going to be able to understand more than 99% of people in this space. To get started, all you have to do is go down and subscribe for free. Click on the subscribe link, go to the webpage. You'll see the headline, Free Video Course Reveals a Little Known Method to Making $1,000 per Day. Just put in your name, phone number, email, whatnot, and you'll get your first video sent to you right away. You can get started watching it. So which website? I wish I could talk about that openly on YouTube, but I feel like I probably shouldn't. I don't want to get a YouTube strike. We are early on this thing. I have not seen any big YouTubers talking about it. I've seen no massive advertising talking about it at all. This thing is incredibly, incredibly early. To get started, all you have to do is click on the link down below. You'll see free video course. This is the headline. The free video training series will teach you the fastest way to get started earning so you can have a passive income literally by tomorrow. How to use the stack on stack method to maximize your returns. I believe that's video number 2. The common mistakes most investors make so you can avoid them. I think that's video number 4. The fast ROI method to help you get into profit quickly. That's part of video number 1 and part of video number 2. A loophole strategy to get a bigger share of the company's profits. I also go into the math, risk management, the whole 9 yards in this specific type of investment strategy. All you have to do is put in your name, your email, and your phone number. By the way, if you put your phone number in, anytime there's something quick that I need to get information out to you that is time sensitive, I will always send it through text. It's just the fastest way to get information out as opposed to writing an email or putting together an entire video. Of course, put in your name and email address, click submit. Once you submit, you will have to make certain that you go to your email and confirm your email. Once you confirm, within literally a matter of minutes, you will get the very first video in the course so you can go ahead and watch it and get started right away. As you're going through the course, if you have any questions, don't ever hesitate. You can always click reply to any of my emails and email me back. I do get a lot of emails sometimes, but I try my best to reply to each and every one. I do my very, very best. Right now I'm able to do that. This is a brand new course that's launching. Again, it's totally free, so I should be able to reply to everyone for now. If you have any questions, don't you hesitate to reach out to me. In the meantime, go ahead, subscribe, put your name, phone number, email address in, get started with that very first course as well. Also, I will tell you, kind of as a special bonus, for everyone who subscribes to the free course, you're going to get an invite to our special invite-only Telegram community where we talk about all sorts of investing in the cryptocurrency space. So all you have to do is go ahead and subscribe to for the free video course. You'll get that video course. And once the video course is delivered during the next week, I'll also send out an invite so you can get invited and join our absolute free Telegram community. This is an invite-only community. It's not made public anywhere on YouTube that I'm aware of. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. This is Crypto Wealth. I'll see you in video number 1.